looks like a fast left-hander, obviously gravel or loose corner, and back's just gone out wide, gone into a ditch on the outside and thrown.
Acidente muito forte com o Alex Sage. O carro, eu acredito que não vai ter como recuperar para a próxima corrida. Olha só que imagem impressionante.
Agora a gente vai começar, hein?
Brake, 8 left cut, long, 60, 8 right long. Oh my God.
Scott Dixon in that orange and blue PNC car. Look at Will Power in the black and red Verizon car. Ready?
Green. Spitting out the back. We're going to yellow.
Daly, Fittipaldi.
Daly's upside down, I believe.
That was a real slow start. Guys started spinning their tires up. Daly's right side up now, but this is devastating for these guys here.
Luzes vermelhas apagadas agora para valer. Início de prova para você. Fran Lara largando muito bem. Renan Pizzi tentando ali defender a segunda posição. Já tem toque ali atrás. Urubatã Júnior, um dos envolvidos. Nossa!
É o Rodrigo Melo, o carro do Rodrigo Melo, uma capotagem, certamente teremos em...
Into Cobb's corner. These are critical corners for this Grand Prix.
Hamilton's going to try again, this time on the inside, a continent touch! Verstappen is out of the race, and that's a big crash into Cobbs! Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen coming together, Hamilton...
Cuando allí está, ahí están las imágenes. Eso fue lo que ocurrió.
Before showed the Ford colours to their KA, but Octane Junkies from Matt Kinney in the Steve Sober style Texaco colours. Zach Duster was the best of the KA. Top on for the year, the roll at Paddock. A roll for one of the KA further back outside the top 10, and red flag.
Roars with the field in tow into turn one, and look at this mixed class action fan out behind him.
Oh, this is
perfect. Oh, big
roll!
That is a wild ride. Is that the Mini?
Could be combo.
And we go full course yellow once again.
Tight, because Barker believes that outside line at Cascade will work. If he can stay there, that'll give him the inside line for Ireland. Oh no! Huge accident, I'm afraid to say again. Another Mini rolls for the second time, and that is Oliver Barker, who is over and over again.
It's gone off. That is Time Saleh, and Gilles Caranta has gone off as well. The rain is absolutely pelting down, and I would not at all be surprised. Oh my goodness, there's cars going off everywhere. No, we need to stop the race.
Oh my God.
We need to stop the race here. Oh dear, oh dear. I think it's time to stop the race. So we're going to go red flags, red flags. There's just no grip at all.
No, they come down to block. Logano goes back up. Keselowski with him. McDowell in tow. Dillon on the bottom.
The run's on top. Oh! Teammates!
Around they go in a hard crash. Kyle Busch.
Larson.
Caution is out.
Bubba Wallace is in this. Austin Cindric. Hard hit.
It's right on board.
It sounded like the throttle stuck.
Holy cow. The throttle did stick. That was bizarre.
when the drivers started to really have their sort of push laps, and it was raining, and then Sarah Moore loses the back of the car, goes broadside into the barriers there, equally followed. I mean, you can just hear the impacts there.
Eight Audi of Chen Wai-an, just up the road ahead there, the darker green car. Big impact, big hit into the wall, and that is a destroyed Audi, which has absolutely taken the front off the car. Which down to the barrier. Don't think there was contact, but at very high speed, off the road it went, and has just absolutely decimated that car of Zhang Yachai. So, session stopped.
Brutal out here. Brutal. Pez left side. Sloaney on the right. 977 down low. Look at Brandon Pez right along the wall. Pez across the track. Hard into the right side wall. Flames. Brandon Pez dragging along the right side wall on his lid. Safety Safari rolling out to the scene.